us, we are designed to not just survive, but to thrive.
We're very honored today, and we're very excited.
Design should be a way of life. Let's not take design as our work. It should be a way of life.
Welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Fear is something that prevents us from growing. Fear will also prevent you from caring. Fear changes how we behave. Not all of us feel comfortable because they don't think their leader offers a safe space. You are only as good as today. What could be good today may not be good for or on the next challenges that you will encounter. That's why we need to be open, that we need to keep on improving, keep on developing, keep on checking each other. Widen yung perspective, not to judge each other immediately and not to cancel. The beauty about life is no one is perfect. Everyone can still improve. It doesn't matter if it's half full or half empty. What matters more right now is how long you're holding it.
How we diba, take care of ourselves. Dapat i-develop po natin yun para we can parang pay it forward. Parang we can care also for others.
Biggest lesson that I've learned today, para bawasan natin yung init ng ulo natin sa mga tao pag nagtatrabaho tayo, is just really to see their motivations and really see them also as human beings. At i-try mo lang hanapin kung saan nanggagaling yung reactions. Siguro meron tayong chance na magkakaintindihan tayo na a little bit better. So, that's why